Hello everyone, you are welcome to NYA TV. My name is Jesse Boakun. We are here at the Ministry of Health to present some items to the organization. With me here is the National Youth Organizer of MPP and also a board member of NYA, Mr. Henry Nana Boakye. Council, you are welcome to NYA TV.
Jesse, thank you very much.
Council, your general impression, your thoughts about this ongoing COVID-19, this pandemic which has hit the world, and how you take it?
Thank you. First of all, we are not in normal times, and as you rightly put it, this pandemic has been declared as a global pandemic, and as National Youth Authority, the board management, it is also appropriate that we also launch a youth campaign, obviously against the COVID-19. I mean, this is such a huge blow to humanity, and that is what we can also do. And government is doing a lot. Government is doing so many things. Government has put in a lot to make sure that we combat this pandemic. And it is also important that as an organization that concerns its mandate with youth empowerment, youth development, and anything that will militate against the development of young people, it is also important for us to also come together, put in our energies, and then make sure we fight against this unseen enemy. So that's exactly why we are here today. So today we are here to present to the Ministry of Health some essential items, some equipment to also combat these MPPs, and then other gloves, masks, and all of that. So this is a time that all of us must come together. And again, what is important for us to also observe is to adhere to the precautionary, the safety measures. And this is, as I put it earlier on, is an unseen enemy. So this is the more reason why we need to listen to the experts when they say social distancing, wash your hands regularly under running water for 20 seconds. In the absence of that, you can also use alcohol-based sanitizer. And most importantly, you stay home when you don't have anything doing. That is the most important thing. For now, government has also announced that certain parts of the country, I mean the Ashanti region, Greater Accra, should also go through the lockdown times. So as we speak, Greater Accra and then certain parts in Ashanti region are also under the lockdown. So we at NYA, we appeal to the youth, the young people, that we are not in normal times. And this is the more reason why government has even closed down the universities and other places where all of us can even convene and then have our own interactions. Unfortunately, we cannot. So please stay home, save lives, spread calm, not fear. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Nana Boakye. Spread calm, not fear. There's been this directive from the president, which the whole country is following, this 14 days lockdown. And we've seen a lot of videos trending on social media where some youth are trying to do their own thing. Your advice to the youth, as a youth icon, your advice to the youth during these hard times?
No, first of all, I think we need to desist from spreading false information. You see, everybody is throwing every kind of information. People do their own videos, and sometimes even unrelated to the fight. The more you put out confusing information, the more you put out falsehood, the more you put out just your own concocted pieces of stuff out there on social media, you are confusing the whole fight against COVID-19. This is not the time for us to confuse the general public. So please, young people out there, do not put out falsehood. Do not circulate falsehood. And I've said it, you don't have to be a circulating or sharing or forwarding agent. Anything you see on a platform, then you forward it. Anything you see on social media, then you put it out there. Please, this is not the time for us to confuse ourselves. Let's listen to what the experts are saying. And if you want to do any campaign at all, you don't have to spread fear. Spread calm. If you have to do any campaign at all, you have to tell your friends, tell your loved ones that they should pay attention, particular attention to the precautionary measures, to the safety measures. And that is what I've just said some out there. So if you want to do any campaign to help, this is some of the things that you really need to churn out. Not fear, not calm, not falsehood. So it is important, and I thank God that you also brought it out. We need to make sure that we are, as I said, we are not in normal times. This is not the time for us to put out falsehood or any concocted information. No. Let's help fight this unseen enemy. Thank you.
Thank you, Lawyer Nana Boakye. We are most grateful for your time.